This is gonna be an intro to the video.
Like, what a nigga talk about? Kabow.
Socials be on the left side of the fucking screen. Make sure you guys like and subscribe.
I don't curse. I don't curse.
Oh.
This is my fit. Okay guys, so I have a few errands to run. So I will be going to the post office. I have to send in a postage because I'm getting my hair laid. Don't play. I'm getting my hair installed, so I have to go post that. But she has those shops. I'm probably gonna go to the shop first to see if I can give it to her in person. Because why am I gonna pay €10 for a postage if I can give it to her in person and then she can take it to her home? Hopefully she accepts that. And then I'm going to the gym. That's why I'm wearing gym attire. I also don't like I wear gym attire even though I don't go to the gym. But yeah, today I'm wearing gym attire because I'm actually going to the gym. And what else do I have to do? I have to buy like a few grocery items because you know in an African household they just be buying like I don't know how to explain it. And like I cannot be eating that because I'm on my fitness journey. So like, girl, I'm gonna buy a few items. Hopefully, like I don't even know what to buy because I don't know. I'll try and show you guys my face because it's eating. It's just chewing a little bit. It's like devouring a bit. Like, yeah.
I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let you in this club.
This is my fit. Guys, my gym is like 30 minutes walk or like 35 minutes walk and it's starting to rain and I don't have a jacket and I'm like, what do I do? Do I buy a jacket or do I firm it or do I just go to a different gym and pay a day pass? I don't want to pay a day pass. What's all that? But here is the fit. PLT, period. Guys, change of plans, okay? So I've decided to take the bus because I've never taken the bus to the retail park, but I kind of figured it out. So I'm taking the bus to the gym and I was supposed to print off something. I forgot that I don't have the full scan on my phone, so I'm gonna have to print it off tomorrow. I saw a bus and I was like, actually, maybe I should try and catch the bus. So I went to a bus stop and then I was like, oh yeah, does this bus go to the back? And then yes it does, so yeah. And then I was supposed to post off my wig. I went to the girl store, the store's closed. And I could have posted off, but I'm not really sure of her home address because I have to post it to her home address and I'm not really sure about that. So it's like, okay, I asked one of my friends, she didn't reply in time, so I'll just go to the gym. If I come back from the gym early and then she replies, then I'm gonna go and post. And if the post office is still open, I'm gonna go and post it. But it's too much, baby. It's too much. Like, what? It's too much.
Please proceed to the next available till.
En route to the gym, I had to get water because I didn't have water, bottled water at home because it's finished. And I don't drink tap water. That's not my vibe. Tell me why it stopped raining. It really stopped raining. Well, I enjoyed my bus ride because who wants to walk a 37-minute walk? Like, who? Not me. Also, guys, I just realized when I'm watching vlogs, my vlogs are from a short person's perspective. Because when I watch other people's vlogs, I'm like, huh? Why does my vlog not look like that? Because I don't hold up my camera. I hold it down because I'm short. I'm going to try and hold up my camera and not down, you know? This is my first time being in this branch because I usually go to the Galway one.
Okay.
So give me a tour.
Yeah, sure. Give me 1 second. What's your name? Sorry.
Okay, thank you.
The cardio routine. So you have the treadmills, the cycles, and the stairs at the back. You have the pin.
Okay guys, so I am now waiting to mind my hair. It's gonna be done like I'm not waiting for my taxi because please I have to walk like a 35-minute walk. It's not 11:30. My appointment it's not even 11:30. It's more than 11:30. My appointment is at 12 o'clock. I'm not gonna make it. I'm not walking. Like if I'm gonna be late, why do you have to be late? And that place is so far to walk. Why do you have to be late and suffer at the same time? And pay late fee while I suffer. Let me actually just enjoy my life. Go there, pay transport fare, and just take the L. Because first of all, I couldn't wake up because I set my alarm to wake up at 9 o'clock. I just couldn't wake up because I was so tired from yesterday. I went to work and I went to the gym. Couldn't do it. Couldn't be me.
Almost made you love me, almost made you cry, almost made you happy, babe. Didn't I? You almost had me thinking you were turned around, but everybody knows, almost forgot, almost heard her saying you were finally free. What was always missing for you, babe?
You know when you're Christian, right?
Yeah.
I saw something on TikTok that was saying that they are a service provider and like they get scared to play Christian music or like because they try to appeal to the public. Like what made you feel like comfortable to do so?
Because I'm not doing it unto man, I'm doing it unto God. I feel like I have a duty of care to expose my clients to who God is and who I am in Christ. So like at first it's kind of like I used to not cater, but it was like, okay, if I know this person is like semi-Christian or Christian, I'll play my worship music, my gospel music and stuff. And then when I had like white clients or people I know that are very much in the world.
Made you love me, almost made you cry, almost made you happy, babe. Didn't I? You almost had me thinking you were turned around, but everybody knows, almost forgot, almost heard her saying you were finally free. What was always missing for you, babe? You found it in me, but you can't get to heaven. Have all the ground, everybody knows, almost forgot. Can't keep on loving you, one foot outside the door. I hear a funny hesitation, but that's never really sure. Can't keep on trying if you're looking for more than all that I can give you. And what you came here for, gonna find me some honest, not afraid to let go. Wanna know how to be there, kind of man. You came real close, but every time.
Okay, she ate with that little one thing. Just joking, not even one thing. The lighting is not good, but I want you guys to see my lashes. She ate. Can't wait to have my hair done. Want to have my hair done. Purr.
Put it out your mind, cause it's jealousy. They don't know.
High volume.
I'm not finished with my nails, but as you can see, they are like this. The thick whites, I do not like that. Giving very much auntie, so I'm gonna cut them shorter. Cause yeah, the thick white is not giving. I'm so sorry. It's giving auntie. I don't like it. So I'm gonna cut them shorter to take out the white because I cannot stand it. I'm so sorry. I can't do it. And see how small and skinny and dainty. This one is better than this one. Period. Yeah. Difference between the long French tips. Ugh. I trust the process.
I fucking fight, I will. I fucking fight, I will.
So guys, I'm going to have my hair appointment, but I'm waiting on the time because it was supposed to be at 9 a.m. Then I changed it to 10 a.m. She texted me a few minutes to change to 11, so I'm waiting. Look at my fit, like, I'm so cute, like, don't play. These gel braids, don't play, like, cause we are going to transform. Like, what you think this is? Yeah.
Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the soap, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, or you're stuck in your zone. You don't ever cook, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately, I